YouTube subscribers and friends and the like. It's Grant coming at you from a suburb just east of Tucson, Arizona. I'm in the newest edition of a truck. This one has the basic package on the window. There's no electric mirrors, no electric locks, no electric window roll down. It's the old-fashioned manual everything on the doors. Has a ashtray, but I put it over there for right now. I think it's an old man truck because it does have your assisted driving, adaptive cruise, lane assist, and a lot of crap. So they did opt for the bells and whistles in the middle, but not on the sides, which is kind of weird. Anyhow, this thing's been wreaking havoc with me all day long. Anytime they get like a bug stain in front of it, then the camera can't run, and then once the camera can't see nothing, then it acts up funny. And then the very last one here, I just drove 600 miles, so I'm kind of tired, but the very last one was turning in here to go to Panda Express tonight for dinner. There's a 3-lane road up there, which you can't really see right now because of where I was parked at. I can't get to it. But you have to cross 3 lanes of traffic to get in here, and I had enough space to do it, and until this decided that it's safer to take away the gas pedal. And it literally made me slow roll across those 3 lanes, and of course, everybody had to slam on their brakes. Second row behind that was a cop, and of course the cop came up and pulled me over for it, impeding the traffic lane, and I told him I had my foot on all the way down on the pedal, all the way to the floor, wasn't going anywhere. That's not my fault, right? That the manufacturer ticket. And he agreed with me that distance-wise, had I just went for it, which I was going for it, I was going for it, the truck was not. But had the truck just went for it, I would have had enough space to do it. They were like not a quarter mile, they were down the hill though, 1/8 of a mile or something like that, so they had time, I had time to do it. But the truck decided that it can't take that tight of it was a 90-degree, it's like a 90-degree turn to come in here. And while I was turning the steering wheel, I had no power on the gas. As soon as I quit on the steering wheel and had to like make a weird 70 kind of to get it to go, then it went. But while I was turning in tight 90, it decided that it has no power is safer, even with all that lanes of traffic coming at me. 3 lanes of traffic. They all had to slam on their brakes. How that thing does not realize there's that many cars coming at you when it's supposed to be collision avoidance is beyond me. But I didn't get a ticket for it, and had I got a ticket, I would have had to come back to Tucson 3 or 4 times to have to go to court process and fight it. And explain to them all that this thing decided that it's safer while it turned to 90 to not have any power on the gas at all. Which I haven't had that issue all day long, or I would have been planning for that, and then I wouldn't have done it. But, oh well, it's his life, I guess. Collision avoidance. I avoided the collision almost caused by collision avoidance. Like and subscribe, leave comments. That's the other end of it. I'll catch you on the flip. Peace.